Ever wondered why your LinkedIn profile looks like a quiet library while others are hosting full-blown career festivals? Let's fix that. Here's the truth. LinkedIn isn't your online CV, it's your digital handshake. And in digital fields, that handshake can turn into a full project. Post what you actually learn, not what you achieve. The internet already has enough proud-to-announce posts. Now it craves real voices. Comment with curiosity, not formality. The best career conversations often start with, "Wait, that's actually interesting. Tell me more." Join niche groups where digital minds hang out. One conversation there can teach you more than a week of online courses. Build a mini portfolio right on your page. Share projects, experiments, screenshots. Think of it as your digital playground, not a resume. Your growth on LinkedIn happens the moment you stop impressing people and start involving them. If even one line here made you want to open LinkedIn right now, do it. Rewrite your story, one authentic post at a time. And hey, don't just hit like. Wake the algorithm up. Drop your thoughts. Share this with a friend who's stuck scrolling instead of building. Let's turn networking into something human again.